Here we have frontal rock chips on a silver front bumper. After cleaning, our next step is to get a color match. Hold the color selector up to the car and find the closest match. Open the kit, remove the scale and place a paper cup on it. Remove the box of silver touch-up bottles. This formula calls for 2 parts silver 3 and 1 part silver 4. We'll add them in the correct ratio to the cup, then add 20% activator so the paint dries with a shine. Stir your paint and it's ready for its application. Using a fine tip touch-up brush, carefully dab the center of each chip. The silver touch-up paint you get from car dealers and auto parts stores is often transparent. Our paint has high pigment content and requires fewer applications to fully cover chips. Apply in multiple thin coats with a gentle touch. Discard the paper cup and clean the touch-up brush with the supplied cup and cleaner. Wipe the brush clean with a disposable towel. Pack up all bottles, trays, and tools. Seal the box tight for its next use. Within 5 minutes, the paint is dry and the chips are greatly improved. We touched up the front bumper and various other chips on this car in about 7 minutes and collected $40. The repairs are permanent, the color match is very good, and the customer is happy with the result.